Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to write content using ChatGPT. So let's start with simple example. I want to write a blog post and my topic is, suppose my topic is heading tags, use double quote for my SEO agency website. So you have to provide your website title, kind of title we can say, and give me a blog post template with all popular queries asked by users. So it will give you what are heading tags and what are h1 h2 why, how to use heading tag examples, common heading tag mistakes, and how many limits it's talking about, heading tags versus title tag, do heading tags affect ranking directly, so many things, FAQ section, conclusion, everything it is providing. So it's a complete in-depth blog, you can write accordingly. And if you want more details, you can ask more, give me more advanced topic ideas. So it will give you more ideas. You can cover how search engine interpreted heading tags, semantic, Google uses heading tags for passing ranking, data driven case studies, counter studies, so many things you can see it is providing. So you can ask anything ChatGPT and make your blog in depth. So your content or your blog post should be in depth as much as possible, so you can get ranking, and you can write best content from your competitor. You can give competitor websites, that this is my competitor website I want to write, or you can give top 3 pages of your top ranking pages I'm talking about, and ask ChatGPT that these are the top 3 ranking pages, I want to write content better than this, provide some suggestions. So many content ideas you can have from ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.